Compute system requirements: Windows 10 or above, 8 GB RAM, and 256 GB storage. Go to Procolored website, www.procolored.com, and click Support, Resource, and Download page to download the software for X1. After downloading finished, unzip the Runtime Library package and the Procolored Studio software package. Install the Runtime Library first. For most 64-bit systems, you should install the x64 version. Then install the Procolored Studio software. After installation, the software will prompt you to insert the USB dongle. Please locate the red USB dongle included in the package and plug it into your computer. Then restart the software to open Procolored Studio successfully. After opening the software, connect the power cable and rotate the knob to power on the machine. Then press the power button on the front of the machine. You also need the Ethernet cable and USB adapter to connect with the printer. And you also need to make sure your Ethernet IP changed to 192.168.0.22. Click the Image Plus button to import your image. Click the image to check the checkbox, and click Start Printing to send a printing job to the printer. If you also want to do laser cutting, you can make a rectangle yourself or import your SVG file for cutting. Then check it on the laser cutting page and send printing job to the printer. Once connected successfully, you can see the connecting status in the software. At this point, you can send a test page or run a printhead cleaning task to check the machine status.